What's up, everybody? It's the 1B, and I'm back doing some video editing. This is some deep level video editing right here. The only reason I say deep level, not that it's complicated video editing going on, this is because the video that I'm editing is actually like it's me video editing a video where I'm video editing thumbnail creation. So we're going to call this video editing cubed. Video editing cubed. Select folder. Video editing cubed. All right. So this is basically my focus on this video is going to be kind of showing you guys a little bit of 425. One, two, three, four. One. What's up? I mean, the back. Yeah. Okay. This is the one. All right. So that was 0425. Yeah, here. 005359. Yep, that's the one. Whoa, that was trippy. All right, we're going to drag that down and import. And basically what I want to show you is just the process, right? I'm going to try to give you some hotkeys, and I'm going to... the content doesn't really matter in this one. We're going to go ahead and bring an end screen. Okay, so now we have both of our things in the project area. We're going to drag the video into the timeline. All right, so this is a multi-audio channel video. And let's go ahead and just bring the end screen in too. We'll bring it back in the end. Okay, so I'm going to show you right now. Go ahead and click this, unlink. So unlinking allows you to mess with these individually. This first one right here is the video file. This is something that we don't want to get rid of. Well, you probably don't want to unless you're just doing audio weird stuff. But anyway, so this first one here is just a mix of all three of the audio channels that I have. There's no need for it, so we're just going to get rid of it. And then this one right here is system audio. Because it's a video editing video, there's going to be some audio because I play the video, so we're going to leave that one. This one here is Discord audio. It's if I'm talking to somebody or if I'm playing video games, and that one's unnecessary as well. This last one here is my audio, and we're going to leave that. So what we're going to first do, though, before we move on, is we're going to turn it up to 15 decibels. And basically what this does is it turns me up so that you can hear me, right? So if I would rather you have to turn me down than not be able to hear me. And that's basically my thought process on that. Because of this system audio here, I always do -2, maybe a little more. I just don't want the system audio to overtake me if I'm talking. And then we're going to hold shift and we're going to select all of these and we're going to relink them. Then we're going to right click in one of these open spaces here. It could be on any of these spaces really. It just has to be in this section here. We're going to click delete tracks. And then we're going to hit delete video tracks. Have all empty tracks here. Delete audio tracks and all empty tracks here. And this is going to remove video 2 track, video 3 track, audio 1 track, and audio 3 track. That's basically going to get rid of those. Whoa, what happened here? Audio 1 track didn't go. Hold on, let me check this out. Oh, I know what happened. Let's go ahead and remove this. Now let's do it. There we go. Now it'll go. There we go. Then we'll select all those. They're still linked. We'll bring in the YouTube end screen. So we got everything cut down. Let's go ahead and pull in the YouTube end screen. Uh-oh. Go ahead and move those up. How about that? Then let's do this, delete tracks. Mess that up a little bit, oh well. Audio's correct. Get this audio correct. 15. Let's trim the beginning of this. What's up, everybody? It's the 1B again. All right. Control K gives you a split there. Let's select the front part. Shift delete is, what the heck's me? Go ahead and select that. Let's try this again. Control K. Shift delete. We're going to come to the back end. And stop it there. Control K. Select. Shift delete. That's going to give you your ripple delete. Pull that YouTube end screen forward. Control S is your save. Control M is your export settings. Video editing cubed. Save. You can export here directly. I like to queue it. It brings up Adobe Media Encoder. That's what I prefer to encode and render in. All right, everything's good here. Once I click this here, it's going to go into the encoding process. The time it takes to encode and render is going to differ for everybody's systems, and depending on how long how long a video is, the format, and just the quality of it. Yeah, so I usually do this off screen just because it's just you waiting around. So while I do that, hopefully you go and check out another one of my videos, and I'll talk to you later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.